is LiquidOcelot, and today we are going to try to make strawberry ice cream. So the first step is to grind in the mixer, blender, strawberry, real strawberry, and after grinding it in the blender, we will put it inside the cream, whipped cream. This is the grinded strawberry. Now we'll add sugar. This is 2 tablespoons of sugar that has also been grinded in the blender. We will also put this condensed milk, condensed sweet milk, like 4 tablespoons of condensed sweet milk. We will put the essence. You can use any essence. Essence and color. We will add the red color and little bit of essence. And now we will mix everything up using the blender. Everything is being mixed right now for the strawberry ice cream. We will continue for 2-3 minutes so that everything is well mixed. The sugar, the essence, the strawberry, blended strawberry, the strawberry color, whipped cream, and we'll continue blending it. We have put the mixed cream and everything, the ice cream ingredients, into a plastic box, and we are going to close the lid and put it in the refrigerator, freezer. And we will open this box after 12 to 18 hours. Put it in the freezer and see you guys after a little bit of time. Now the ice cream is frozen and we have taken out the scoop from it and we are going to try it. Tasty.
It's very tasty ice cream.